10, a 5 kilogram block slides along a horizontal frictionless surface at 10 meters per second for 4 seconds. The magnitude of the block's momentum is what? So for this one, let's jot down some of the givens. We have a 5 kilogram block, so that's the mass, right? Mass equals 5 kilograms. And it slides along a horizontal frictionless surface, so there's no frictional force that's counteracting its motion or trying to change its velocity by accelerating it in a different direction. There's none of that because it's frictionless. And it's moving at 10 meters per second. So what's that? That's its velocity. Velocity is 10 meters per second. And it's happening for 4 seconds, so that's the time. It's happening for 4 seconds. And we want to know the magnitude of the block's momentum. Well, what is momentum? Momentum is determined by finding the product of the mass and the velocity. So the formula for that is P equals mv, where P is momentum, m is mass, and v is velocity. So we're going to plug right into that and we should have it. So P equals mv. We said our m was 5 kilograms and our v was 10 meters per second. So we plug this in and multiply. So the momentum is 5 times 10 is 50 kilogram meters per second. So the answer is 2. And what did we find out about the units of momentum? The units of momentum should be kilograms times meters divided by seconds. So it's not a unit that has any special name or has any particular ring to it, but you should try to remember that the units of momentum are kilogram meters per second. And in this case it doesn't matter because all the choices have the same units, but this may help you in other cases where you need to figure out how the momentum should turn out. Only the product of a mass and a velocity really is going to give you this kind of result. Also notice that we didn't have to use the time. It doesn't come into play at all when using this formula to find momentum.